If you've been looking for a low entry cost business with $100,000 in potential profits, you've just found it. The trash bin cleaning business is a low cost business where every household in your area is a potential customer. It's a simple business idea that requires hard work and the right equipment. Welcome to Wealth Elf. Today, we'll review the trash can cleaning business idea, your potential customers, startup costs, and profit margins, so you can easily slide into this new industry with enormous profit potential. Can you really make $250K per year cleaning trash cans? Make sure to watch till the end for the detailed business plan. Cleaning trash bins is one of those things everyone hates to do or neglects to do unless there are some significant spills. However, with the changes in the world and how focused people are on keeping things clean and sanitized, a trash bin cleaning business slowly becomes quite profitable. How does it work? Organic material is usually collected in the yard waste bin or organics bin. Then it is taken to a central composting station, where it is composted at an accelerated rate. This compost material can be sold locally to growers and landscapers. Organic composting can be profitable, but there is one downside: containers get very dirty. Raw food scraps sit for up to a week in direct contact with the waste bin. Frequent and thorough cleaning is the only remedy. This makes it a significant opportunity for the trash bin cleaning entrepreneur. The trash bin cleaning business is about cleaning, deodorizing, and sanitizing a customer's trash bins. Many people may want but never think of hiring a service for them. Business opportunities. Since it's so new, you will likely find an area near your neighborhood where no one else is servicing. This is a fantastic opportunity to get into a business straight away. Knowing where your customers are makes marketing much easier, allowing you to be targeted in prime locations. This business can be operated part-time or full-time from home or a commercial location. It's an excellent home-based business too. Your customers will never have to come to your office since all your work is done on their premises. Moreover, this is not a high-tech business, but you can use technology in advance. For example, having a website with easy access to ordering services and picking up new customers while working on the route using a point-of-sale terminal on their phone. Marketing your business can be done in a few ways. For starters, the easiest way would be bin tagging. You go into neighborhoods and attach your promotional material to the bins. What skills do you need to start this business? Beyond being able to do the work, every business owner needs basic business skills. You need to learn the company's administrative requirements and proper time management. Making the business work requires determination, willingness to please the customers, and the ability to provide a thorough cleaning job. In the last 10 years, most communities have changed to standardized waste bins for garbage, recycling, yard waste, and composting. There are even more changes on the way. To reduce the amount of waste going into our landfills, separating and collecting organic waste like food scraps and yard waste quickly becomes an even bigger deal. You can learn from the good experience of San Francisco and several other communities throughout the US. Soon enough, even more communities will make collecting organics mandatory to reduce the amount of waste going to landfills. Who are your potential customers? There are millions of standardized waste bins in North America. Each household, on average, has 3 bins: a garbage bin, a recycling bin, yard waste, and/or an organics bin. With the rise of separating food waste for composting and recycling, most households now have several garbage bins that are filthier than ever. A dirty waste bin is the single most unhygienic item in any home, and it's one of those jobs that we all know we should do, but rarely, if ever, get around to doing. So, therefore, there's a great demand to have a bin cleaning company get the dirty job done regularly for a modest cost. Your potential customers can be anybody with trash bins, large wheelie bins, or even large dumpsters which can use your services. Let's begin with residential customers. Most people have multiple trash bins in their homes, and large wheelie bins for trash pickup. The only issue with residentials is finding a group close together so that you don't have to drive all over an area. Consider incorporating some kind of discount for customers that refer their neighbors to maximize your time and resources. Offices are a big potential customer, especially if you can connect to several larger businesses with many employees in the same building. You can even sell your services to building management companies to work with multiple facilities in the same area and be paid for by a single customer. Companies could set up ongoing cleanings so that they have recurring revenue and set schedules of when they will clean and how much they will be making. Apartment buildings have many large wheelie bins in their garbage rooms that you could clean. You can introduce your services to the residents if you score a contract with an apartment building. Cleaning multiple bins in a single location is preferable for your time. You can upsell things like power washing the garbage room floor, which is often very smelly and dirty, but later on about upselling services. As you start to operate the business, you may find other ongoing costs like cell phone service or soap and mop. Your profit depends on how many customers you can serve in a day, so optimize where your customers are and when you service each area. Consider offering one-time cleanings or get contracts to clean every 2 weeks or once a month. The contracted cleanings are where you will ultimately make the most money and have guaranteed income each month. You'll want to see what similar services are in your area so you can set prices accordingly. However, chances are you'll be the first one in the area. A one-time cleaning could be $20 to $30 depending on the number of trash bins. Contracted cleanings could be $8 to $15. Added revenue streams. Offering extras would bring you even more profits. Try to upsell your customers. The more you can do for a single customer, the fewer customers you may need to find. For example, the area around the trash bins is likely filthy, so consider offering to power wash the area. If you're already power washing an area, consider power washing driveways, walkways, or houses, or you can offer a mobile car washing. This way, you can quickly increase your total to around $100 plus per job, or more per hour, turning your daily profit into about $1,000. Further scale to add employees and a second crew will double your daily income. As an independent entrepreneur, you're not tied to pre-established formulas for the concept, name, or services offered. With no weekend work, you can work the hours you choose to suit your lifestyle and income requirements. Also, this business can easily be structured around your family. You can still spend quality time with family and take the kids to school while earning a good income. This is the best way to invest in yourself and build life-changing wealth. Get out there and get on your way to $250K a year. Anybody can do this, so why not you? But what do you think about this business idea? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so you can enjoy the excellent content we send your way.